Tired of a cluttered kitchen and crowded countertops? These genius Amazon kitchen finds help organize your space, save time, and make cooking feel easier, cleaner, and way more enjoyable. All product links are in description below. Number 1. The Dopudo Glass Teapot. A sleek and elegant kitchen essential designed for effortless tea brewing. It offers crystal clear visibility while brewing, adds a premium modern touch to your kitchen, is easy to clean, perfect for serving guests, and elevates your everyday tea experience with a stylish cafe-like feel. It also enhances presentation, making every pour look more refined and visually appealing. Number 2. The Gmtsl Bamboo Fruit Basket. A stylish kitchen organizer designed to keep fruits neatly displayed. It saves counter space, adds a modern natural look, keeps fruits easily accessible, and helps keep your kitchen clean and clutter-free. Number 3. The SENTVEND 20-ounce Drinking Glasses. A modern and durable glass set designed for everyday use. It offers a large capacity for drinks, adds a clean and stylish look to your kitchen, perfect for water, juice, or smoothies, is easy to clean, and makes daily hydration more convenient and enjoyable. It also enhances table presentation, making every drink look more premium and appealing. Number 4. The KUMD 14-pack Fridge Organizer. A complete storage solution designed to keep your refrigerator neat and well-arranged. It maximizes fridge space, keeps food items easy to find, reduces clutter, helps maintain freshness, and makes your kitchen look cleaner, more organized, and more efficient. It also helps separate different food items for better visibility and easier daily access. Number 5. The Priority Chef Heavy Duty Mortar and Pestle Set. A strong and traditional kitchen essential designed for grinding spices, herbs, and ingredients. It delivers powerful crushing performance, enhances flavor freshness, works without electricity, saves prep time, and makes cooking more authentic, efficient, and flavorful. It also gives you better control over texture and consistency for perfect recipes. Number 6. The KOIOS 5-in-1 Hand Immersion Blender. A powerful and versatile kitchen tool designed for blending, whisking, chopping, and mixing. It saves counter space, handles multiple cooking tasks, reduces prep time, works efficiently for smoothies, soups, and sauces, and makes everyday cooking faster, cleaner, and more convenient. It also offers easy cleanup and replaces multiple bulky appliances in your kitchen. Number 7. The Yangbaga Ground Coffee Storage Container. A smart kitchen storage solution designed to keep coffee fresh for longer. It preserves aroma and flavor, prevents moisture and air exposure, saves counter space, keeps coffee neatly organized, and makes your daily coffee routine more fresh, convenient, and enjoyable. It also helps maintain consistent taste by locking in freshness every time you brew. Number 8. The KOOKMENT Meat Tenderizer. A powerful kitchen tool designed to make meat softer and more flavorful. It breaks down tough fibers for better texture, helps marinades absorb faster, speeds up cooking time, improves taste, and makes meal preparation easier, quicker, and more efficient. It also ensures juicier and more restaurant-style results at home. Number 9. The STIRLEX Pancake Batter Dispenser. A smart kitchen tool designed for precise and mess-free pouring of batter. It helps create evenly sized pancakes, reduces spills and waste, saves prep time, keeps your kitchen clean, and makes breakfast cooking faster, more consistent, and more enjoyable. It also ensures perfect portion control for professional-looking results every time. Number 10. The Chinese Tea Set Traditional. An elegant and cultural kitchen essential designed for authentic tea serving. It enhances tea presentation, creates a calming tea experience, is perfect for guests or personal relaxation, adds a premium traditional touch to your kitchen, and makes every tea moment feel more special and refined. It also brings a classic aesthetic that elevates your overall dining setup. Number 11. The Mosalogic Fruit Fly Traps. A simple and effective kitchen solution designed to get rid of fruit flies. It keeps your kitchen clean, reduces pests near food, works continuously, is easy to use, and helps maintain a fresh and hygienic cooking space. Number 12. The Mueller 12-blade Vegetable Chopper. A powerful kitchen tool designed to make food prep fast and effortless. It chops, slices, and dices vegetables in seconds, ensures even cuts, saves time in cooking, reduces manual effort, and keeps your kitchen workflow smooth, clean, and efficient. It also helps you maintain consistent prep quality for better cooking results every time, while keeping your countertop mess-free. Number 13. The UHIYYEE Commercial Can Opener. A heavy-duty kitchen tool designed for smooth and effortless can opening. It works quickly on all types of cans, reduces hand strain, offers strong durability, ensures safe edges, and makes food preparation faster, safer, and more efficient. It also provides a smooth cutting action for hassle-free everyday use in the kitchen. Number 14. The Elite Gourmet Mini Cold Press Juicer. A compact kitchen appliance designed to extract fresh juice with maximum nutrients. It preserves natural flavor and vitamins, reduces waste, operates quietly, saves counter space, and makes healthy juicing simple, fast, and convenient for everyday use. It also delivers smooth juice with minimal pulp for a better drinking experience. Number 15. The IMUSA 4-Cup Electric Espresso Maker. A compact coffee machine designed for rich and flavorful espresso at home. It brews quickly, delivers strong authentic taste, is easy to use, saves time in your morning routine, and makes your coffee experience more convenient, modern, and enjoyable. It also ensures consistent results for cafe-style coffee anytime at home. Number 16. The Exluvon Refrigerator Deodorizer. A smart kitchen solution designed to eliminate unwanted odors inside your fridge. It keeps food smelling fresh, absorbs strong smells, maintains a clean environment, is reusable and long-lasting, and makes your refrigerator more hygienic, pleasant, and organized. It also helps preserve the natural aroma of stored food for longer freshness. Number 17. The ZA Sink Drain Strainer. A simple yet essential kitchen accessory designed to prevent clogging. It catches food scraps and debris, keeps your sink clean, improves water flow, is easy to install and clean, and makes kitchen maintenance more convenient, hygienic, and hassle-free. It also helps protect your plumbing by reducing blockages over time. Number 18. The Quatish 24-piece plates and bowls set for 6. A complete dining set designed for everyday meals and family use. It includes plates and bowls for multiple servings, adds a clean and uniform table look, is durable and practical, saves kitchen organization effort, and makes dining more convenient, stylish, and well-coordinated. It also makes hosting guests easier with a fully matching table setup. Number 19. The Elite Gourmet 4-Slice Long Slot Toaster. A powerful and convenient kitchen appliance designed for quick breakfast preparation. It toasts multiple slices at once, handles different bread sizes easily, offers even browning, saves time in the morning, and makes your kitchen routine faster, smarter, and more efficient. It also adds consistent crispness for perfect toast every time. Number 20. The Gorilla Grip Cutting Boards. A durable and non-slip kitchen essential designed for safe and easy food prep. It provides a strong cutting surface, prevents slipping while chopping, protects your countertops, is easy to clean, and makes cooking more safe, organized, and efficient every day. If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing Amazon kitchen finds.